Hey, what's going on, everybody? I'm Chris. I'm here with Kathy. We go by Ginger Marvin on Instagram and YouTube. We have another What's Old video for you today. And you might notice there was not a What's Old video for what would be yesterday. As I was editing the video, I found out that the audio to the recording just wasn't there. There was no audio. It was just video, so I just decided to scrap it. Fortunately, I don't think we had any viewer sales or anything yesterday, but that does put us one day without a What's Sold. So we're gonna follow Kathy around today. I don't think today was an amazing day, but we're plugging away. We've got a lot done today, but we're gonna show you what's sold right now.
Hey guys, yeah, this is the best sale of the day. The rest are just getting money back on stuff and things like that.
Seems common. A lot of people are having slower times right now, right?
Yeah, I'm not like worried or anything. It happens. Yeah. So I try not to look at the day to day as much as the month or the year, I guess.
We try to take advantage of these times to get a bunch of listings up. So
which we have, and we'll tell you at the end. So yeah, this is the best sale. These are some Doc Martens sandals. I just showed them in the big haul that we did. And I picked these up at Goodwill for $15. I sold them in one day for $79.95 plus shipping. When I checked comps on these, almost everyone else had sold them around $40. So I knew from the past of me selling other pairs that I sold them for $70, and these were in really good shape. So I did $80 plus shipping. And yeah, they sold. They also sold through global shipping, which means the buyer paid more on their end for shipping. And so that makes me think I might have even been able to get a little more than I got, but I'm very happy with 15 into 80. And then, where's the...
Yeah.
I was weighing them. So we sold these Nintendo games. So these are technically, we have like nothing into them. These were my mom's, and she passed away a few years ago, and we just found them in a drawer. So we don't really play Nintendo DS anymore. So we just listed them. They sold for $6.47 plus shipping. It's 3 games. Deal or no deal. Are you smarter than a 5th grader? And Who Wants to Be a Millionaire? So nothing that's going to get you a lot of money, but... I'll take $6 plus shipping on those. All right. Oh, Reese, of course.
The one he never lays there.
No.
He never lays right there. Oh,
wrong spot.
We got to give him a belly rub.
This one in. All right. So I sold these Levi's 501 men's black denim jeans. So normally the 501s can do pretty well. These ones, we washed them. So I bought these for Chris, and he just didn't like them, so I listed them, but I washed them first, and they almost look new when I bought them, but the washing like made them this thingy like rip, and then also it just left some weird fade lines on the front. So I still listed. I had about $3.50 into them, ended up selling them for $12.97 plus shipping. We do have a 35% sale running off about 300 items in our store, so this and those video games sold as part of that.
That's the stuff that we're ready to get rid of, just clearancing them out.
Just hope to at least break even on those. We're
trying to get better at letting things go that we've had for a long time.
We got plenty of good inventory getting listed right now.
Yeah.
So. And then this was Chris's shirt. He actually wore this several times. It's just the brand Greg Norman, like a golf polo, and it sold for $7.12 plus shipping. Again, this has only been listed like a week, but I did include it in the sale because it was his. Yeah. I didn't buy it specifically to sell, and I bought it from Goodwill originally, so I couldn't have paid more than like $5 for it.
And it's not an amazing reseller, right?
I mean, it probably could have got like 12 if I held on to it. But I
like Greg Norman shirts. They fit me well. They look good on me.
All right, so that was it for eBay today. Yeah, eBay's been super slow. I have not been sending offers like I regularly do. Most of the stuff that has watches right now is those not new, but all those dresses that we got. And I'm not ready to let them go lower yet because I haven't even cross-posted them. So just going to let those sit there and sell off as they sell off. And I'm probably going to cross-post them soon. All right. Oh, what was this? Angel Deer. I don't want you guys to be jealous of this one, but this is the brand Angel Deer, and I've done well with it in the past, but this has been listed for months at this point, and it's just a onesie, but like, I don't know if you've ever heard of Kiki pants. It kind of feels like that. It's like a bamboo, really nice material. It does retail for a ton, and I can usually get at least 15 out of it. This one, I accepted a $6 offer because I was just ready to see it go. I have 75 cents into it, so I made like $2. Becky Park would call that French fry money, so got me some French fries. But yeah, if it's not moving, I'll just let it go. That's something I've learning every day. All right, so then these last few sales are Mercari. These are some Osiris.
Osiris, yep.
Yeah, so these are just some skateboard shoes. Actually got these at Once Upon a Child for $1. Like, they made it all the way to Dollar Day. I think because they're men's. So I don't think like people buy the big kids shoes as much at the Once Upon a Child. So.
Oh.
Anyways, yeah, and you can see they're pretty dirty and everything. I mean, structurally they're good, but I took a chance at $1 and they sold for 20 plus ships, so that was worth it. AQ.
Over here.
Alright, so this is actually a bundle. So he sold this whistle and flute cookie hat. And then beat each. And then this Tiny Will's Michigan shirt. So this was the one I got as part of that what is it, secret bundle? What is it? Like a mystery. Yeah. So now all 3 of the things I did not keep have sold, so that's good. I pretty much made my $35 back, I think, and I did keep 2 items for my kids to wear, so that's cool. But yeah, this bundle sold for $25 plus ship. I'm pretty much just breaking even because technically I had like $9 into the shirt, and I think I had 10 to 12 into this hat. So yeah, the hat was my son's. He actually originally it had a palm on top and he ripped that off, so it probably could have got more if I still had that, but yeah, I was happy to take 25 for the both of those, and buyer paid shipping. So those are all of our sales for today. So you can see, but we did go a good stretch last month without listing. So
yeah.
The way I've noticed is obviously being consistent is how you get sales, but when you stop, it's not like the next day you stop making sales. It's like a few weeks
a delay
you're
in
gonna stop
there.
making sales. So I think right now we're kind of seeing where we stopped last month. So
yeah.
And then will show you what we listed in the last couple of days, but those sales are probably going to take off in a few weeks from now.
Yeah.
So yeah,
it's all a game, right? The more you put in, the more you get out, but kind of like, when you get a paycheck in the real world, you get it 2 weeks after you do the work. And that's kind of how we see it a little bit when we're listing and stuff. We see about, sometimes it's longer, sometimes it's shorter, but there's always a few days to a week or two delay from the time we list heavy and then we start getting those heavy sales. So if you're seeing slower sales, just keep listing, guys. But we're going to pack these up and we'll be right back. All right, we got all of our sales packaged up, ready to go. It's a smaller pile than we're used to.
Actually, it's nice.
Yeah, it is kind of nice.
It's only a 1 IKEA bag kind of thing.
Yeah.
Don't even need to pull out the Hulking bag. All right, so I mentioned this in our video yesterday that Chris mentioned that we can't put up because it had no sound. So we'll just do it again today. This is kind of like a to-do list I'm making for myself, and it's the stuff that I need to do every single day. It's not just like today I'm doing it. Like, yeah. I'll erase these check marks again and do it all over again tomorrow. So basically every day
filling in the green numbers.
Yeah. Well, so like, I mean, I just put 13 because that's what I've listed, but that number can change every day. It's not, we don't really have, everyone always asks, how many items do you list a day? It's never the same. I guess I would like it to be.
As you can see, all these red numbers.
Yeah. We just do what we can as much as we can. So today is 13, but yesterday when I told you guys about it, it was like 30 something.
Yeah.
And then I did more last night too. So we'll go over to that board in a second. But yeah, every day I want to at least list new items, whether it be one or whatever I can do. At least one though. I want to cross post at least 10 items a day. So I've already done 10 today, and then just as we finished up shipping, I pulled up some more. So
you can see all the tabs up there opening up for cross listing. And I should mention our list 13 new items. That's to eBay. We are still listing to eBay first. are we going to continue that? We're coming up on...
Yeah, I mean, it worked out good. I got my 90-day total up like $2,000 just in the last few weeks, right? I mean, it's only halfway through April.
Yeah.
Almost 3/4 of the way. So, yeah, I want to keep doing that. I mean, I do like doing it that way because then it makes it easy to cross-post a certain exact amount every single day. And let stuff sell off before I have to delist it and do all that extra work.
Saves that time on the back end.
Yep. So yeah. Sharing Poshmark Closet. Chris did that for me today and yesterday too. Promoting 10 Mercari items. That's just something we do every day. I feel like it helps us get more sales. If you don't know what that means, it's just... So I just open up my Mercari app. Go to my profile. Sometimes I'll just like search a certain category. Like I want to promote, it's summer, so I want to promote some sandals today. So I'll just search sandals and then I'll start scrolling a little bit and then I'll just find some that haven't been updated for at least a month, like these sandals. So tomorrow, I've already done today, so I can't do any more because 10 is the max. I'll show you. But yeah, right here you can see last updated a month ago. So if it's been over a month, I would click this promote button and then push promote, and it's gonna say I can't because I've already done my 10 for today. I don't have any likers on this item, but you can promote to likers. If you do have likers, you can do that as many times. It doesn't have a limit for that.
Right.
So like, let's see, these sandals, I have 4 likers on these. I haven't promoted them for 2 months. So if I wanted to, I could send these people. Let's just do it because I want to see those gone, even though I won't make anything. So yeah, let's send those. So now those 4 people get notified. But yeah, the regular promoting, what it does is drop your price 5% and then it bumps it up to the top of the feed. So you'll start to see new likes on it and stuff. So yeah, every single day I do 10 of those, and I do feel like I get way more Mercari sales when I stay consistent with that. On Kitizen, I like to change my shop discount every day, and then I want to start sharing like at least 100 items. Sharing on Kitizen takes a little bit longer than Poshmark does, so I definitely can't keep up with sharing my whole closet every day. But if I can share 50 to 100, I'll at least be active, and hopefully somebody will see. But yeah, today I haven't got that done yet. I did change my discount, but I haven't shared anything. I did cross-post stuff, and I share as I list it new. So obviously we finished shipping, and then eBay, and then Sell Similar all ending today. So today it was only 3. Yesterday it was like 15 to 20. So it's different every day. Just whatever hasn't sold off from the last month that I did it. Then I just end them, and then I put them back live. So I do Sell Similar. I don't know why. That's just what other people have said to do, and it seems to work. So I'm not going to change it until it doesn't seem to work anymore. So
we have mentioned, we mentioned this in yesterday's video, but that would be the point where sometimes if you have like a unisex item or something that could be, you know, for men or women, some people like to have 2 separate listings for that item, one in men's, one in women's, and then just delist the one that doesn't sell. We could do that, and we have done that in the past, but we just have so many platforms that we go on, so it would be two listings for each platform. So what we choose to do is just list it as one of them for 30 days, and then at the time that if it hasn't sold at that point after the 30 days, we would change it at that time. So that's where we would do it. But it is perfectly acceptable to have 2 listings. You just have to make sure that as soon as it sells, you delist the other one so that you don't double sell your item, especially on eBay, because that can be marked against you. So
yeah, and so if it's not like something like that where it's could be either gender, then I do change something about the listing. I'll change
add a
the
keyword
price
or something.
Yeah, change the title up just slightly. I just feel like anything you can do to make your listing better or different, and it just kind of helps. So all right, and then yeah, so today doing good this week so far. So yesterday I ended up doing 46 total new listings, like completely new from scratch. That 46 does include a multi-quantity listing, which was some Bogs boots that we showed in our last video, our big haul. So I did 5 for each size, so I did 15, and those are listed at like $40 a piece. So some of this total and about 15 of this number is those multi-quantities. So
Right.
even though that only took me like
It's 3
5
actual
minutes to
listings,
prepare,
right?
yeah.
Because we didn't do a variation listing on it. We just
you
did
can
individual.
do variations, but I don't like
Yeah.
it because every time when I'm shopping on eBay, I'm like, oh, this is the item I'm looking for, and then I open their variation listing,
And they don't have the size.
It's sold
yeah.
out of the size that I want, but it still shows up in the search, which just annoys me really
Yeah.
a lot, because then I'm like, great, I can't buy it. So when I have different sizes, I just do them separately, but it's still fast because I have 5. I have more than 5, but I only put 5 for now. I like to keep the quantity kind of low and then just up it as they sell.
If somebody sees a listing with, we don't have 100 of them, but if they see something with 100, they're going to be less likely to have
Hurry
that.
up and buy it.
Yeah, that FOMO, right? The fear of missing out. So we try to at least keep some of that alive, right? Having a low
And even
quantity,
if you just do
multiple
one
listing.
and you have multiple, when it sells off, you could do a sell similar off your own listing. So yeah, so yesterday we did that for 1926. Oops, I just messed that up. And then today so far I've done 13 for 435. I did photograph 20 this morning, and Chris has them all drafted, so I have more to do. Plus I have more other older listings that I haven't got up yet. So
Yeah.
hopefully that can be closer to 30 by the end of the day, because we mentioned we're a little bit behind on April in general. We did good weeks 1 and 2, but then week 3, obviously we had a lot going on.
Yeah.
So we drifted off, but we're hoping to make up for it these last 2 weeks. I'm trying not to go anywhere.
We do have more than enough items to list to hit our 600 listing goal for the month. It's going to be tough, but I do think we could still hit it if we have more days like we've had these past couple days. So
yeah, when we actually stay home and work.
Yeah,
if we listings up, imagine that.
And I think
So
you can
these are
see
the
the other rack is empty. We've got those all listed and inventoried, put away. We got all the dresses put away. So these are some of the listings that we're going to be putting away soon.
These are the ones I haven't photographed yet.
Yeah.
So I do want to photograph the rest tonight, even if we don't list them tonight, just have them ready. And then the clothes from that last haul, which wasn't a ton, but
Over there
that's
on the table
next.
there.
That's what we'll finish up today and tomorrow, and then we'll start on the Denver bin stuff.
Yeah.
Which you guys will see hauls shortly for those.
Yes, we are definitely going to be recording hauls for our 3 bins trips, which does finish out our stimulus check challenge that Kathy has been doing. That was $600 from the stimulus check that we had months ago, not this latest one, but the one before that. Seeing how far you could take a $600 stimulus check and turning it into profit shopping at the bins. We did close that out in Denver. We just need to shoot those haul videos and get them up for you guys. We'll probably space them out a couple days just so that you're not hammered with all these Ben's haul videos, which I'm sure many of you are perfectly fine getting them all back to back, but we're just going to space them out. And yeah, I think that's going to do it. We're going to get back to work. Kathy's got some more listings we want to get up. Got to get this stuff off to the post office and got to go pick up Connor from school. So thank you so much for watching, guys. We will see you in the next one. Bye.